This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
In humans, spermatogenesis takes place approximately 65 to 75 days. It begins with the spermatogonia, which contains diploid number of chromosomes that are 46. The spermatogonia divides continually through the mitotic division to produce more cells. Some spermatogonia stay close to the basement membrane of the seminiferous tubule, acting as pool of the cells to take part in the future sperm production. The rest of spermatogonia lose contact with the basement membrane and squeeze through the tight junctions of blood-testis barrier, undergo developmental changes and differentiate into primary spermatocyte, which are still diploid, means they also have 46 chromosomes. So this is the basement membrane, and some spermatogonia downs goes downwards, and these are primary spermatocyte which have 46 chromosomes. Later, next stage, the primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 1, that is a type of cell division, and produce two secondary spermatocyte. Each secondary spermatocyte has 23 chromosomes, means haploid number, and each secondary spermatocyte undergoes meiosis 2, means second cell division, that is meiosis, and produce two spermatids, and each spermatid has 23 chromosomes. The final stage of spermatogenesis is spermiogenesis, in which the development of haploid spermatids to develop into the sperm. The sperm then enter into the lumen of seminiferous tubule. Fluid secreted by Sertoli cells pushes sperm along their way towards the ducts of testes, and maturation of sperms continues. Now we come to the sperm. What are sperm? Sperm, or we can say these are the special cells which take part in the fertilization, and they come from male sex organs or testes. Each day, approximately 300 million sperms complete their process of spermatogenesis. A sperm is about 60 micrometer or micron long and contain several structures such as head, this one, midpiece, and tail. The flattened pointed head of the sperm is about 4 to 5 micron, this is micrometer, means micron long, and it contains a nucleus with 23 chromosomes. In front of the nucleus, there is a cap-like vesicle filled with enzymes that help the sperm to penetrate the secondary oocyte known as acrosome. The neck is the constricted part just behind the head, and it contains centriole. The middle piece or midpiece contains mitochondria, which provides energy for locomotion of the sperm to the site of fertilization and for sperm metabolism. The last and longest portion of the sperm is tail, which help in the movement of the sperm. Once ejaculated, the most sperm do not survive more than 48 hours within the female reproductive tract.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.